Yep. Airline credit cards have perks like free and heavily discounted companion fares. Any plans to have this kind of utility for Etihad NFT holders?
So I think, look, there are lots of opportunities out there which we're exploring and looking into. One of them could be around the discount space, around similar to what King Mario is mentioning here in his question. I think that everything is on the table, Mark. Everything is up for consideration. If there's a way to monetize and create a revenue stream for both the airline but also the NFT holder, and we're looking into that. And we're looking into that because that's really what the technology allows us to do, using the smart contract programming that sort of this technology allows us to use. It just makes things sort of much more evident to you. So it becomes something that we need to consider.
Yeah. That probably wasn't a real fair question because, publicly speaking about your marketing plans, is not a real fair question because people usually try to keep those, fairly private. But let's just say that, that's an input from a user which said, hey, if I had those things, I would be more interested. And so I'm sure that different airlines watching and yourselves are thinking about what can you do to implement, features and utility, which will cause more people to, come to the airline and more people to buy the NFTs. So I'm sure that those are all important things.